If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords to get access to our full Chords library playlist. Today we're going to look at Roman numerals in major keys, talking about the I's and V's like in Super Bowl language. So let's get to it in the key of C, and then we'll look at it in the key of G and the key of B flat. In our C major example, we'll start on C, E, G. If the Roman numeral is capital, that is a major chord. This is a C. On the second scale degree of that scale, the 2 is minor in any major key, minor second scale degree. The third of the scale, E, is also always going to be a minor chord. Third Roman numeral is lowercase for a minor chord, in this case, E minor, E, G, B. The fourth chord of any major key is going to be major, F, A, C. In this case, F major. The fifth chord, the capital Roman numeral 5, also major. In this case, a G chord in the key of C. It's the fifth note of the scale. It's major. Our sixth note of the scale will always be minor in these major keys. Minor sixth chord. And then we need a diminished seventh. We're going to spell that B, D, F. Yes, that is a diminished B chord, not just minor, but we brought that fifth down a half step. So then we could end back on a major, 1 on C. Let's look at that in the key of G. We would first start out on a G major, capital Roman numeral 1. Go to an A minor next door for the lowercase Roman numeral 2. To a B minor, B, D, F sharp, right? That's our third scale degree, and it's still minor, B, D, F sharp. Roman numeral 4 is capital, so it's going to be major. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll build that major chord off of C, the fourth scale degree, C, E, G. 5, still capital, give us a major, D major, D, F sharp, A. The sixth Roman numeral, always minor. In this case, we'd go next door to an E minor. Lastly, in the key of G, we'll try our diminished seventh. On the seventh scale degree of G, that's F sharp in that scale. So we'll spell this F sharp, A, C. That's our diminished seventh. Landing nicely on our G. Back to that major 1. Very nice. Let's look at it in one more key if you'd like, B flat major. Get some of these flat and sharp keys in here. We'll start on B flat major, B flat, D, F. Major, Roman numeral 1. Then a minor, C minor, C, E flat, G. Minor, Roman numeral 2. A minor, Roman numeral 3 on that D flat major. A major, fourth, coming off the E flat in this key, E flat, G, B flat. A major fifth, coming off the B flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll spell that F, A, C. Major 5 chord. Take it up a step now. The sixth of the chord in major keys is always minor, G, B flat, D flat here. Let's try our diminished seventh. We'll spell that A, C, E flat. Before taking us nice back to our home key, B flat major. It's our Roman numeral 1. That is reviewing our Roman numerals in major keys. You did it in C, G, and B flat. Keep reviewing if you need to. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Play on.